Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we'll be installing the outdoor cameras. The indoor one doesn't need any special installation. We'll just put it on or stand it on one of the shelves in the kitchen or whatever, and then the doorbell camera. So we'll start with this one. So we'll take out the old one. It's out already, so we'll just take this part out and then mount the new one, and then move on to the 3 other cameras.
You know I don't play right. Just give me the word.
I don't think this would be of any use. This is linked to the old security system, so we can just fold it and probably just line it up by the wall and just put on the new camera on top. So this back plate has 3 holes, but we only need the middle hole for any surfaces that are uneven or when needed or as needed. So for now we'll just use the 2, the one on top and this one down. So easy process, just screw them into the wall. You can use the same 2 spots if it fits. It doesn't, so we might have to make another one down here and use the old one on top, and then we'll just slide in the actual camera on top.
You know I don't play right.
So make sure it's upright, make sure you have this facing up, and then we'll just take the camera and so this back side, just place it inside there and then just press it in and push it in until you hear a click. So this is the part that actually connects the 2, that gray part over there. So it's fully secured. So we'll just adjust the sound later, take off the paper, and we'll be good to go. So follow me as we install the 3 outdoor cameras. So one of them will go at the front of the garage, and then the other 2 will be on the right and left sides of the house. So we'll start with the one outside the garage door. So we'll just find the centermost place over here. Probably it's over here, but we can just I think it is. So instead of getting some measurements, we can make that work. So we just need to screw it in and then put the camera. So this is what we're attaching to the wall, and 2 screws. So we'll just screw it in and then put the camera over here. Just tap it in.
Don't give me this. I'm gonna get back when I feel like. You know I don't play right. I'll put up a good fight. Just give me the word. You know I don't play right. You know I don't play right. Don't give me this. I'm gonna get back when I feel like.
Then we'll do the sides, one here, one on the other side.
Don't give me this. You know I don't play right. I'll put up a good fight. Just give me the word. You know I don't play right. You know I don't play right. Don't give me this. I'm gonna get back when I feel like. You know I don't play right. Just give me the word. You know I don't play right. Don't give me this. I'm gonna.
So the installation is done. We'll just now we'll just look and see, just confirming that they are working perfectly. So we'll just start with the outdoor cameras. So this is one of them. So you can see it actually covers that one side. And then we can take a look at the other one. Perfect. We can look at the third one. Yeah, that's perfect. Finally, we can look at the one for the doorbell. Perfect. So that's how you install the outdoor cameras and the doorbell. So if you like the video, hit the thumbs up, share, subscribe to the channel. As always, thank you for tuning in. See you on the next one.